come and join us today at Santa's Farm in Eustis, Florida. We're going to show you what they have going on for their seasonal events, all the attractions and activities they have, and of course the baby animals.
Today we're at
Santa's Farm
in Eustis.
Yes.
We're excited to see some baby animals, see what they offer here. What else?
And also we're gonna redeem our prize.
I hear that there's zip line. I hear there's a big, like, what is it called? A pillow, bouncy pillow.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Let's go!
Let's go! Yay!
And a big thank you to Santa's Farm for inviting us out. This is actually our very first time coming, but I've heard that their Halloween and Christmas events are a must-do as well. Okay, so they have a little store here when you walk in. Got some Santa's Farm merchandise. We've never been here, so I have no idea what to expect. Alright, so they got some goats back here too. How cute! Oh, I hear the chickens and I hear goats. Let's see what else. Look at the chickens.
Oh my gosh! Hello. Hi. Are we allowed to pet you?
Just be careful. They might bite.
Yeah, they think you probably have food or something.
So we were given an Easter itinerary as Easter is going on right now, as well as some seasonal food and drinks. And one thing that they do offer during different events is a tractor-pulled hayride. It's actually our very first hayride together as a family. They've never been on something like this, but it's a nice tour of the property. And during Christmas, you can actually be dropped off with a saw to pick your own Christmas tree. You can see that big bounce pillow we'll be doing later, and to the right is the zip line. And if you go past there, then that is the pony farm. And looking at their website, the Christmas tree farm opened in 1989 and they have about 17 acres. We'll hopefully see some animals. We got some food to give them.
Hey,
Excited about that?
look!
Yeah.
They're watering the trees. That's where you can get to, you come here and have your own tree cut down during Christmas time.
Yeah, it'll be fun. Aww, it's so cute.
Oh yeah, that one come running over here.
Look at that. Oh, so careful, they're gonna eat the bag. There's also, I think you can feed the chickens over here. And then there's the female goats back that way.
Go!
Yeah.
He licked me! Ew!
It's okay. Yeah, it's just a goat. We can wash our hands.
Okay, I give that an ew.
Okay, you give it an ew. He's got long hair.
No!
Oh, okay.
He said they don't really like that feed.
Oh, okay, never. They're like heads. But be careful, they might peck you.
Oh, that one has eyes. Bunnies! Can you feed them?
Aw, look at the bunnies. Buddy boy wants to see the donkeys. Trying to see this. A lot of different animals over here. It's cute. What? My kids are going crazy.
Come here, Mom.
Okay.
Very feisty.
What's her name? Fred.
Fred,
Hi, Fred.
You just gotta be very careful.
be very gentle,
But
buddy.
if you put your hand over him and then put your top hand over him so he doesn't squirm away.
Fred, and what was the other one?
Ginger.
Ginger.
How old are they?
Ginger is so fluffy.
No, we haven't been told yet. They're young.
He feels like water.
Really?
He's
He's
just
very
fluffy.
calm right now too. I think he likes you.
Aww. That's so sweet.
I'm his friend.
Why do you look terrified?
I know, he looks worried. He's like,
Actually, because of your shirt.
yeah, he kind of does.
All right.
Fred
You want me
is
to take him?
Yeah.
Take him?
Yeah.
Thank you for holding him.
Thank you.
Oh my God. What is that? A big donkey?
Do you still want to feed? Do you still want to feed the donkeys?
Look at this. I see the big bum.
I think he's just sleeping.
Yeah, he's just sleeping.
He's a little piggy.
He's cute.
Oh.
Oh my God. Can you pet him?
Yeah. It's a lot of flies.
Elastic sight.
He doesn't lick it, then he doesn't. Oh, there we go.
Ew.
There you go.
Ew. I got a boy.
Well, wait.
We're gonna feed the donkeys too, but
Here, Pumpkin, he's looking for these.
Pet. Who? Which one?
Well, wait. The brown one you were just petting.
I cannot feel his tongue.
No, he is so gentle.
Aw.
His ear.
Here, buddy. I'm gonna give him.
Yes.
Look at that. He likes being pet. There you go. They are cute.
Is one of them's named Donkey?
Donkey.
So in order to do this, check on their website. I will link down below, but you have to have a ticket, and the ticket prices range from anywhere from $6 to $15 online. The tickets themselves include most of the attractions, but it does look like you have to pay extra for the zip line and the horse or pony rides. We have events currently with Easter egg hunts and a festival. We did miss the Easter egg hunts though because the kids were obsessed with the baby animals. And the workers there are pretty knowledgeable, and they are all very sweet.
He'll end up growing to be a big white duck.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's crazy. They started on yellow.
Yep.
He's like, yo, come pay attention to me.
He's like, I want some food.
Can I pet him for a second?
Okay, are you ready? This is a little bit bigger than the duck.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
One at a time, please.
Aww.
Look at Daddy.
Real quick. Aww. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's so cute.
What's
So cute. Jovi.
loud. Getting near the
He's like, stop!
All right, say goodbye to Jovi.
He's like,
Ever had
Mom, I
a
want
totally,
the jump
Sheep
pad.
pad.
before?
Baby sheep. Yeah,
Baby
hold
sheep.
on.
Oh, now that looks fun.
Yeah? So we found out this is Ellie and Elvis. And you can be 14 to work here. Pumpkin, do you want to work here?
Yes.
she would be happy with the animals all day long. That's so cool though. Now they are going to bring out baby bunnies that were just born. So we're going to see them next. And then there's a zip line that way and pony rides that we still have to do. And the nice gentleman here was talking about how they're expanding. So honestly, that's great. It's really neat. We found out when the bunnies came out that it's adults only that are able to hold it. So Vanessa's heart was broken, but there is a happy surprise coming up.
Butterscotch. Butterscotch. So both of our rabbits are female. That's Butterscotch, and the other one is Bradley with IE.
Okay. Good job, buddy.
And I completely understand their reasoning because bunnies can hop a lot easier out of a child's hand if they aren't careful. So we understand and respect if any places have rules for things like that. But I did feel bad for Vanessa because she had her heart set on holding that baby bunny. Just warn the kiddos if you have any. The horse and pony rides closed at 4:30, so we were trying to rush over just to do that beforehand, but we did miss the zip lining.
Shower cap.
Got your helmet on. See if you can buckle it. It's just like a circle, right?
Yeah. Just goes around and then goes back. Oh, I see what's happening. I just now noticed that.
Oh no, he's peeing. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
You go. What's the horse's name?
It's Cisco.
Cisco. Beautiful. Oh, this is his first time.
Oh, first time.
Yeah. Hold on tight. While Buddy Boy was going on his horse ride, they actually did something really sweet for Vanessa that really caught us by surprise. They actually let her hold the baby bunny.
It's just a lot of people, so it's quite
Oh, make sure you got it.
Alright, and then
Thank
closer
you,
to your
you're
chest.
so sweet.
There you go.
Did your dream come true, Pumpkin?
Yes.
Yeah, she was. When I saw the
It
look.
was a lot of noise and a lot of sound.
Thank you
it's
so
their
much.
first time with large crowd. They've never had more than 4 people around them at one time.
Yeah, I understand. They were just born, right?
4 weeks ago.
4 weeks, okay.
Monday it'll be an official 4 weeks. But now they're starting to eat hay and wean off their mom.
Aww. That's so cute. Are you happy?
You can continue.
Yeah, you can hold it for a minute.
I walked all the way down here for you.
Thank you so much. You better tell her thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Welcome.
She's gonna want to work here when she gets older.
Oh,
She's
please
almost.
do.
She'll be 10 in October.
Well, you can start as soon as you turn 14.
You want to do that, Pumpkin?
Yes.
She loves animals. We have 2 guineas at home.
Yep.
And she.
And the other is Evie. Evie's a cutie pie. I named them after Pokemon because one looks like Mimikyu and one looks like Evie.
She reminded me of the color that butterscotches are, so
Like
she became
pudding.
butterscotch.
Butterscotch pudding.
We unfortunately named them both with bee names unintentionally. I was like, well, we named both girl bunnies with bee names,
Aw.
but it's fine because they're cute.
They are. I mean, bee for bunny too, right?
Yeah.
You could also do Blossom Bubbles and Butter.
Blossom Bubbles and Buttercup. She loves Powerpuff Girls. Yes, thank you.
so much. She was so
Get back. Don't
we
scare
a
it.
lot of people, so
careful, buddy. Don't
and it
be-
was their first outing.
I understand. No, I don't think he should hold
No,
it. Yeah, I can pet it. You gotta get a little older.
Okay, so. Oh, by the way, he is the guinea pig's uncle.
That really made Vanessa's day. We've been following Santa's farm on Instagram and we saw those baby bunnies and just melted. So I'm so thankful that Caitlin did that for her. And the pony and horse ride was a really cute addition to the farm, and right next to it, we're gonna show the maze that they have. And I know for Halloween, they also have different pumpkin patches, and they mentioned one time having a haunt, so maybe that'll come back this year. So grab a sheet and marker, find all the animal pictures, and redeem your prize in the exit barn. Oh, you want to redeem a prize?
Sure.
It says we gotta look for 12 animals, find them all, and you win a treat. Bunny, calf, chicks, donkey.
Didn't. I found a miniature mule. Food.
Oh boy.
Are we gonna get lost? You did find one?
Yeah, I found
Where?
a miniature mule.
It's a picture.
Oh.
Miniature mule.
Oh, I see. Cool.
But where's that on here?
Between the 4 of us, we ended up finding them all. That was pretty fun, kept the kids busy for a little bit. Then we headed back to the main area because we needed to try some of the food. There's also a bull that we did miss. It's right next to the cow. The kids are just happy playing with the animals and feeding them all day. I'm guessing this was where the kids' Easter egg hunt was, and they even had an adult Easter egg hunt. We'll have to catch that another time, but that sounds fun. Alright, we ordered our food. Everything looks really good. I like the specialty drinks and the special desserts. Are you guys ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, Pumpkin, what was your favorite thing here?
Bunny.
Bunny! The pony? The horse? Okay.
Thank you to Caitlin so much.
Yeah, that made her day.
God bless
So sweet.
I liked watching them take the horse ride around the circle.
Yeah, that was
That's a lot of fun.
I liked the baby animals. I would come just for that. I like how they have so many different animals. And they are expanding, so they're going to be adding a lot more. We're excited to see what else they do. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You definitely need to come here, and for what, Halloween or Christmas at least?
Yeah, they say they're Halloween, they start doing more stuff.
Yeah,
They're trying to eventually do a haunt.
Yeah.
I guess they have like tons of pumpkins around. I guess it's just a fun time with the hay rides.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
awesome.
during Halloween, that's a fun time.
Yeah, it is. Perfect for here. The first themed food item was a spring dirt cup dessert. So it has the chocolate pudding, Oreos, Cadbury eggs, and a peep on top. They had a regular lemonade and then a pink lemonade. And this was the Cottontail cocktail float. It has different berries and it was supposed to taste like a cotton candy. We got the non-alcoholic version. And they also offered a peep mosa. So we're waiting on the quesadillas, but we got this pink sparkly one. So we did non-alcoholic so the kids could have some too. Here's Buddy Boy's hot dog, and we're waiting on our quesadillas.
Really, really good.
Okay, I'm excited to try. Everything was really good. Highly recommend the seasonal drinks and the desserts, and you can't go wrong. The kids preferred the hot dogs over the quesadillas, but Rick liked his spicy beef and I got a chicken and cheese. So if you're gonna be there for a few hours or you wanna support the venue, it's definitely a great way to do so. And as we headed out, we ended up catching one more set of baby animals.
Look, is that a pig?
This is a pig. It's a miniature.
What's the name? I saw a big.
This is Frida, and that's Teddy.
They got a skin condition.
Yeah, that's how they came, and you know, they get lots of a treatment. We like those. What are they? Oatmeal baths?
Look, there's Teddy. There's Teddy. You like him.
Oh, you guys are friends. You guys are buds.
Are they siblings?
They're so cute.
The people, we kind of rescued them, so we don't know real clearly about their background.
That is it for our trip. Hopefully we'll be back for Halloween or Christmas events. If you are an animal lover, you definitely need to visit.
Stay up and subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel, subscribe. And subscribe. Cut.
Click these videos next if you want to see other things to do with animals around Central Florida. The top one being Gatorland, which has all sorts of different things, as well as SeaWorld, which has experiences you can pay extra for.